Today we're replacing the Google Pixel Tablet 2023 screen. Let's start by heating the screen. A few minutes is enough. Now slide a thin metal blade into the gap. We're cutting through the adhesive. We'll try to lift the screen off cleanly. That usually saves time. Oops, the screen just shattered more. The tempered glass protection fell off too. Watch out for sharp glass edges. Don't stab your fingers. Use tweezers to lift the glass pieces. This part takes patience, a lot of patience. Let's heat the screen again. Soft glue is easier to remove. Time to be a bit more forceful. Still keep your fingers safe. Now remove this metal plate. A T3 screwdriver will do. Disconnect the battery BTB first. Now peel up this film. Disconnect the screen BTB. Good, the screen comes off now. We still need to clean the frame. A lot of glass is still stuck. Be careful near the front camera. It's fragile. Great! Let's keep removing glass. Once the glass is gone, clean the leftover glue. The new screen needs a clean base. Install the front camera back into place. Before installing the new screen, we need the old flex cable. Remove it from the broken screen. Here's our new screen. Install the flex cable onto it. Make sure the clip locks in. Connect the screen BTB. Reconnect the battery BTB too. Let's power it on. Perfect! The display lights up. Everything works. Now remove the screen again. We need to apply adhesive. Apply glue around all edges. Use thinner glue near the camera. Reconnect the flex cable again. Don't forget the battery plate. Screw it in securely. Add extra glue in the corners. Helps with bonding. Press the screen firmly in place. Make sure it sits flat. Clean the display surface. Wipe off extra glue. Use clamps or rubber bands if needed. 1 to 2 hours is enough. And that's it. Repair complete. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.